Hello kids, let's learn sound T. Vamos a aprender el sonido de la T en inglés. Ta, ta, ta. Let's see some words that sounds with letter T. T sounds in tiger, tiger. T is for tennis. T is for telephone, telephone. Ta. T is for tall, tall. Let's try and pronounce sound T. Ta, 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 ta. Let's pronounce it letter T in travel, travel. Let's pronounce it in train, in taxi, taxi, taxi. Let's pronounce it on toe, toe, deditos de los pies. T is for tent, tent. T is for two, number 2. This sound is easy. T-shirt, t-shirt. T is for tent, tent. T is for tomato, tomato. T is for toothpaste, toothpaste. Como pueden ver, el sonido de la T es muy fácil de pronunciar. Todas las palabras que tengan el sonido de la T lo vamos a pronunciar T, T. Thank you. Goodbye.